Hey folks, DJ at the rabidsquirrelgarage. Today we got some new mirrors to put on the 2008 Harley Davidson FXSTB, and these are kind of neat. They're got like a diamond shape or whatever, but I just don't like the stock mirrors that are on there. So let's go get these installed. These are pretty easy. Just take a 1/2 inch wrench and loosen them up. Then they just come off pretty easily. I've had these off like 20 times now. So one of the main reasons I'm doing this is that I'm going to be installing a shorter windshield. I'm putting the 7-inch Memphis shades on it, and the mirrors will look, way too high. So we're going to put some shorter mirrors on. Here's the comparison. There's your stock mirror, and then there's the mirror that we're going to be putting on. So you can see it's quite a bit bigger, quite a bit larger. So yeah, it's going to look good, I think. We're going to use the longest one that we could find in the set, and it comes with a whole bunch of different parts, and this needs a 10mm wrench to get it put on the bike, to get this stud put in. So we're going to do that real quick. Make it nice and snug. You don't want to do it too tight. It is aluminum, steel on aluminum. Oh, I gotta put my washer on. There we go. Got plenty of space on the bottom. Got washers and a lock washer, and then it's got the lock nut too, so they should stay on there pretty well. I should find out what size that lock nut is. Alright, so this lock nut on the bottom down here is a 13mm. And again, it is a lock nut, so it's going to take a little bit to get it screwed up and on. But I'm happy that it's there, because mirrors tend to rattle and get loose. Alright, we got that nice and tight now. Now we're doing the same thing we did on the other side. This is what the shaft looks like. So you just take the short threads and put them in the mirror, and tighten that down with the 10mm. Just happen to have a 10mm in my pocket. Again, you don't want it too tight because you'll strip it out. It is aluminum, steel bolt, aluminum shaft, that mirror. Put one washer on, put it in the hole, put the other on, screw your nut on. Again, that is a 13mm. Again, not too tight. You don't want to mess up. Now we're going to go ahead and adjust them while we're sitting here. Alright, I'm going to put it right there. No, go back. Alright, here we go. I'll do the other one the same way. Alright, we got mirrors. What do you guys think? Let's get a look at it from the front. There it is. That's what they look like. I think they look pretty good. They're not too tall. I can see well out of them, and that's what they look like. I think I like them. Okay, if you could go ahead and like that video, hit that thumbs up, and subscribe if you aren't already. And got a new project bike that'll be the next video, so make sure you stay tuned for it. It's going to be a Bringing Back to Life series. So I will catch you all in the next one.